Hi, it's Victoria, female project of Bluebird. And I think, I don't know what this is, take something, take five, take 20, take, because I'm actually trying to see it myself because I can see myself, right? I can't see you, but that makes me want to do a romper room where I have the mirror. I can see you and you. I don't know if you'll get that or not. Okay, I'm not starting over. I wanted to talk to you about part of Project Bluebird that morphed it. Basically, it's about the man behind the curtain, whoever, that, not even that 1%, whoever that, whoever you think it is, take your pick. But actually, you probably are not going to know who's in control and who wants to control the masses all the way to the tippy top, because the one at the tippy top, you wouldn't, you, it's you never even you never get. But this is about ADD. So I am a living, breathing example. I am a living testimony of ADHD in adults. Um, it's and I don't know where the hell it came from, where it come from, what they spray our food with, the fact uh, that I'm a Project Bluebird by birth, which, oh man, I'm gonna have to take another shot at this. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Where's my glasses?